Hi, and welcome to the Highline Residential Training Series. In this video, you will learn how to use template variables in email and SMS templates, and how to use template variables in bulk email and bulk SMS templates. To create a custom template in the Highline Residential system, start by clicking the Productivity tab on the left menu and click on the Templates page. Click the gear on the upper right-hand corner and click the Add Template option to take you to the Add a Template page. When adding templates, you have the opportunity to use template variables. Template variables allow the Highline system to automatically populate certain custom information about your lead into your template. All the template variables that are available to you can be found at the bottom of the Create Template page, and a description for each variable can also be found here. To use any one of these variables, you can either copy and paste the specific variable into the template content box, or you can insert a template variable by clicking this button and choosing the specific variable you want to insert into your template content. Let's create two example templates. We will create an email and a bulk SMS template. Our email template will use a template name, you have the opportunity to provide a subject line. If you do not provide a subject line in an email template, the system will automatically use the subject line of your prior email thread with that specific lead. But if you want to provide a custom subject line, fill it into the subject line field. The template content will include a few variables. We'll start by using the lead's first name, and we will also use the specific listing that the lead inquired about. We will associate this variable with a renter lead, and we'll click the Create button to save the template. Let's also create a bulk SMS template. The bulk SMS will also use the lead's name, and we'll use the bulk SMS template type, and again we'll set it up for renter leads. To use these templates we've created, we'll have to access the CRM. The email template we created will show up in the Templates menu. And to use the bulk SMS template we created, we can select multiple leads, use the bulk or mass SMS function, and use the specific template we created.